like a room tour per se, but I'm gonna do an unfurnished one. So yeah, I'm gonna this is like the regulation and stuff. I'm gonna show my roommate side because she hasn't moved in yet, so you can see how it is when you first come in. So like here's the closet, regular. They have a curtain with the curtain is ugly. Anyways, I left my curtain at home. I was supposed to, okay, whatever. My whole decoration is just forget it at this point. Mirror, with more places to like arrange your stuff, or put your stuff, whatever. And then you have a light, and then regular bed with the mattress, but quite short. Like I would say that the bed is quite short. Yeah, it's short, and I like high leveled beds, whatever. um, oh, this is the desk with a regular like rolling chair and more places to put your stuff, whatever. Honestly, these things look like they're really old. The building I think is really old too. But yeah, this is what we get. Freshman, I think this is the like typical freshman, like this is the building in which like most freshmen are put in, I guess. There's a light. The luminosity is adjustable. I'm not really sure how to turn this, shoot that on, but yeah, you see the luminosity adjustable. Anyways, turn it off. You have a fan that they gave us. I knew that they didn't have air conditioners, so I bought a mini fan for myself, but I didn't know they would give us one. The box is here. I unboxed it already. So this is the view. I can't really see what I'm showing you guys because I have like very low percentage of battery and the luminosity is down, but like this is what we would like to see as a view if we were in a higher floor, you know. But this is what we get. Yeah, and then my side is the same thing, but like I'm unpacking some mess. Yeah, this is gonna be a hazard. And yeah, basically, so I think I'm done pretty much. I still have to take care of my stuff and where to put them and stuff, and I have to charge my phone definitely. Yeah, let me go charge my phone. It's fully plugged, and I'm gonna see you in the next shot. Also, I don't really trust the rug because I don't know if it's like bugs on them or if it's dusty, if it was swept or whatever. I need to buy a broom for that because honestly, I love to be barefooted. Like at my house, like I'm always barefooted. I hate wearing socks, so when I don't have to wear socks, I don't wear them. But right now, I'm gonna stay with these little bad boys or bad girl, whatever you want to call it, and socks because I don't trust whatever the rugs is. Like, yeah, that's all I can say for now. Oh, I'm thirsty. So yeah. Oh yeah. Hydrate yourself. Oh, by the way, these are the refrigerators that we're supposed to rent with the microwave. And I don't really want to touch, but I do want to check. So like this is the freezer. Wait, oh, shit, right? Like this small. Well, good enough for me, honestly. But yeah, this is what we're gonna have to rent. And I think it's like 2 something. I'll check later, but yeah, it's 2 something. Or 1, yeah, and we're gonna split it with my roommate. The elevator, I have to press both buttons for it to actually open. I don't know if it's me that's doing it wrong, but I really have to press both buttons. That's so weird. And I don't even know what I have to say because I'm talking a lot and I'm showing a lot. But alright. Oh, what do you think of your her room? Oh. What do you think of your dorm room?
I like my room. I think my room's nice. Okay. So yeah. Thanks for listening.
Okay. You know what? You're right. I wasn't gonna like it.
Exactly.
Guess who's gonna kill me again for using my card and more money? Anyway, so like we took almost every little thing that was in the cafeteria from each bar, like from not noodles, spaghetti, to sandwiches, to pizza, all that whatever. And then we went upstairs. Had issues with bags because I won't say who, but our bought a lot of stuff. Oh, I've never been in their buses. We have time for that. Yeah, loud. Because mind you, I had not even tied it down with a scarf. It was a hot mess. And then I ended up tying it up with a scarf like way later. And it was looking good. And then I took a nap. And yeah, this happened. Look at the sign. No, wait. I'm too excited right now. Like, your girl is a BU student. Like, okay, now I'm, cringe. Bye. Okay, so like, this is the ending of like, basically my day, my first day. So what I did today, I went out and in and out like a bunch of time. I'm pretty sure the security guards are just like, what the hell is she doing? Is she doing trying to find? Like, cause at this point, the amount of time I've been out sick. We went to Target. We got a bunch of stuff because I didn't get to bring a bunch of stuff because space issues and all that. And yeah, and then we went to Dollar Tree. We ended up buying like 2 little things, and we took an Uber back. Went to the dining hall. Oh shoot, the dining hall. Let me tell you. Food is the love of my life, you know, and apparently it's ours too. And let me tell you, I've been struggling to swipe my card the right way since the beginning. Like, it's so hard to eat. I don't even know where to start from. I need to use my fan, but anyways, but obviously I'm not gonna eat everything now, or well, we don't know yet. But this is spaghetti. Yeah, so some spaghetti, chicken stuff, pizza. This is a chicken pizza. Eh? Wait. What happened to the slice? Because really, I'm still laughing. Like, where is my slice? Why they cut it like that? I am crying, but this is too funny. Nah, that's not the same slice I had this at lunch. This is a chicken sandwich. And then here we have a turkey sandwich. I don't need to take it off, like you can see. And then, oops. I think this is a lemon meringue pie or whatever, but it didn't say anything. There's that, and then a yogurt with granola. And then all of those. And then fruit cup. Hey, this is my favorite thing out of everything I got. And then a brownie. Oh, and by the way, I completely forgot to say it in the video, but what happens with the dining hall is that you just go, you grab a bag like you can see in the video, and you basically take whatever you want, and you get any food you get from there, you get it to go in the bags, and there's no like dining in. Dining in will be open around September from what I was told, but even that is gonna look different. It's like, I think 1 or 2 people per table, something like that. Oh yeah, and then my little juice. It's orange guayaba, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, juice. And I think I'm done. Hey.
Know it. Stop everything, you know it. Show them the way. You know it.